Kote munene wa Makueni Law Court sulawi wote ni umia moloto kwa kampuni wa kuungamia mauta wa Kenya Pipeline kuiva shilingi bilioni 3.8 enendiela makwatie wasio motambo wa mauta wa Tembuka na mauta kunyaika kisione cha Thange Kibwezi isini kauntini ya Makueni ni kwani letu yevo ilungu ya miaka 10 kumakiko kichedhiwa na valasa vali ya umanda aki ye kiwangithilo mbingilo ni sia koti wa Makueni otondo mwandiki witoa mauvo Caleb Chalo kualesia.
Asili ya tatu mama kwani alani Justice Christine Ochieng, Teresia Murigi na Annette Nyakuri ni maumio tiolani wavuvucha munene kwa enendi alamethi ile misioni ila yaetiwe ni mveleki ya mauta wa kampuni wa KPC kutembuka na kuvulana na kiucha use wa Thange na valotalo wa enendi ngili 375 mekwe kwa tuwa kuiva moloto wikuse ya kampuni yondo iva kemanza cha shilingi bilioni 3.8 kuiva ya mwenendi.
Detailed incident investigation, that report revealed the impact of the oil spillage as including detrimental effects on human health, livestock, water, soil, plants and livelihoods. The findings in the initial report by the multi-sectoral team was confirmed by subsequent reports done on the oil spill at the instance of the respondents. In regard to violation of human rights to a healthy and safe environment, the expert evidence given by Dr. Mugisi Swaro and Dr. Kowino clearly demonstrated that the petitioners suffered a wide range of liver and renal toxicity due to the effects of the oil spill.
Koti yone waikithia kana akisia enendi mathange na moithiluko mayo nesiake ukiwe kuma yilondo wakitikie miaka 10 mivituku na ingi kampuni wa pipeline ndo yanisya kilova niwe kwikithia kana mathayo ma enendi ni masuviwa.
Articles 5 and 7 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights respectively provides that no one shall be subject to torture, to cruel, inhuman or degrading treatment or punishment. And the aim of these two articles is to protect both the dignity and the physical and mental integrity of the individual. And from the evidence of the petitioners, it is clear that the first respondents' actions of failing to consistently supply them with water when all their water sources had been contaminated with hydrocarbons caused them physical and mental anguish, violating their rights under Article 29 of the Constitution.
Koti yone umnyamwamulo kampuni wa KPC kuiva muvea wa nema milioni maana kenda sia kutungia wanangiko wake mawithuluko na valamu vya uku kwati wa kutunga livoti ndene welungu ya miye 3 kuelesya undu iseso yendeje.
It's evident that there was petroleum in the river, in the surface and borehole water, which was being used for domestic purposes. In addition, there was evidence of hydrocarbons in the soils and crops, which affected the crops' health and livelihoods of the residents.
Caleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, Vilengi wa Maovo.